Have you ever wondered how the brain protects itself from harmful substances circulating in our bloodstream? The answer lies in the remarkable structure known as the blood-brain barrier, or BBB for short. This specialized barrier acts as a gatekeeper, regulating the entry of molecules into the brain and maintaining the delicate environment needed for proper neural function. But what happens when this barrier is compromised? Let's delve into the mechanisms that disrupt the BBB and explore the causes and consequences of its increased permeability. The blood-brain barrier is composed of tightly packed endothelial cells lining the brain's capillaries, supported by astrocytes and pericytes. These cells form tight junctions that prevent unwanted substances from crossing into the brain tissue. However, certain factors can weaken these tight junctions, leading to a leaky barrier. Three major culprits are trauma, infection, and oxidative stress. Starting with trauma, physical injuries to the head, such as those sustained in accidents or falls, can have a profound impact on the BBB. The mechanical force from a traumatic brain injury can disrupt the tight junctions between endothelial cells. This disruption allows proteins, ions, and even immune cells to flood into the brain tissue. The result is cerebral edema, or swelling of the brain, which can further exacerbate neuronal damage and lead to symptoms like headaches, confusion, and in severe cases, loss of consciousness. Moving on to infection, pathogens like bacteria and viruses pose a significant threat to the BBB's integrity. For instance, during bacterial meningitis, pathogens can release toxins that damage endothelial cells. Additionally, the body's immune response to infection involves the release of pro-inflammatory cytokines. While these molecules are essential for fighting off invaders, they can increase the permeability of the BBB by altering the function of tight junction proteins. This not only allows more pathogens to enter the brain, but also permits immune cells to infiltrate, which can cause inflammation and neuronal damage. Oxidative stress is another key factor in BBB disruption. It occurs when there's an imbalance between the production of reactive oxygen species, ROS, and the body's ability to detoxify them. High levels of ROS can damage lipids, proteins, and DNA within endothelial cells. Specifically, oxidative stress can modify tight junction proteins, leading to their dysfunction. Sources of oxidative stress include chronic conditions like hypertension and diabetes, as well as environmental factors such as exposure to toxins or radiation. The consequences of a compromised blood-brain barrier are far-reaching. Increased permeability means that substances that are normally kept out, such as certain drugs, toxins, and inflammatory molecules, can enter the brain. This can lead to neuroinflammation, which is implicated in a variety of neurological disorders like Alzheimer's disease, multiple sclerosis, and epilepsy. Moreover, the entry of peripheral immune cells can initiate an autoimmune response, where the body's immune system starts attacking its own neural tissue. Understanding these mechanisms is crucial for developing therapeutic strategies. For example, targeting oxidative stress with antioxidants might help reinforce BBB integrity. Similarly, controlling inflammation during infections could minimize BBB disruption. In the context of trauma, timely medical intervention to reduce brain swelling can mitigate further damage. In summary, the blood-brain barrier is essential for protecting our brain, but it's vulnerable to disruption from trauma, infection, and oxidative stress. These factors weaken the barrier's tight junctions, leading to increased permeability and allowing harmful substances to enter the brain. The resulting neuroinflammation and neuronal damage underline the importance of maintaining BBB integrity. Ongoing research continues to explore how we can protect and repair this critical barrier to prevent and treat neurological diseases. Please like and subscribe for more insights and tips.